What's up, my juice lovers? Charlie Wettloffer here. I am very excited because I just received one of the very first production unit Goodnature Hummingbirds, fresh out of the factory, delivered to me this morning. And although I've made lots of videos on the prototype unit, this is the first time I'm actually going to unbox one and have a real production unit. So I've got the Hummingbird Pro XL model here, and so we'll be going through this together. I've never unboxed one. As you can see, it is shipped via UPS, and although the box is big, it's totally manageable for one person to pick up. I think it weighs about 35 pounds. And it's got a nice box here with the Goodnature logo. It says made in Buffalo there, because all of Goodnature's juicing equipment is still made in Buffalo, New York, which is where my dad started the company all the way back in 1976, about 10 years before I was born. And we've got the nice Hummingbird logo on the top here. And all right, let's unbox this bad boy. Cut the tape carefully. So now we're going to fold up this front flap here, and then that opens up. We have a nice Hummingbird logo on the inside of the box, and it has a message here, reuse this box, because this foam is engineered to protect the machine very well and is actually quite expensive to make, because we wanted to give people packaging that they can use to transport the machine or ship it somewhere if they have to. So definitely save this packaging if you have the room, please. All right, so once we get the box open, inside, let's see what we got. These are nice handwritten notes by my brother, a CEO, welcoming you to the Goodnature family. He handwrites every one of these, by the way. Then we have this little getting started QR code. This code, if you scan it with your phone, takes it to a web page I made on our website, which has nice videos of setting up the machine, making juice, cleaning the machine. Also has a recommended few recipes to start with to start getting to know your machine. Now we have the quick start guide. So this is a little fold out quick start guide that just gives you the basics of using the machine without getting into all the detail of the user manual. Next we have the user manual. This is a very in-depth guide on using the machine, and you can see it has really nice illustrations to make it easy to read. It's not like some of those manuals you get where they're just like impossible to understand. And then of course we have some fresh filter press bags. These are the bags that you use in your juicer when you're making juice. And then once we get that stuff out, we can go ahead and pop off the top panel here. And then the next step, which may not be totally obvious when you're unboxing it, it actually makes it easier if you just go ahead and fold down this flap and pull out the bottom foam piece and put that to the side. Now what we can do is, as you can see now, the bottom of the machine is exposed. So now we can actually slide this foam out. We can put the box to the side. And now what it does is it gives you this little block of foam, and this is where everything is held for shipping. So first of all, we get a nice view of the beautiful machine. I mean, this thing is so sturdy and so beautiful. And then here's all of your various parts. So we have the pusher, which goes in the hopper to push down the produce. So go in like this. Then we have, here we have the stainless steel blade, patent pending blade. And that goes in the grinder base like this. And then just pop that on here. Then here we have the juice container. So this holds about 70 or 80 ounces of juice. I don't remember exactly, but this is what catches all your juice while you're making juice. It also comes with a nice microfiber cloth for cleaning the machine and a little brush if you need it. And then this, although I know like a drip tray isn't that exciting, this is actually one of my favorite parts because it's this super cool molded silicone that's flexible. I don't know, there's just something very satisfying about this. All right, and now that we're this far, here's the trick. Now instead of trying to wrestle with the machine as we pull it up because it's pretty heavy, we're just going to tip the whole foam up like this and then slide it out. And there you go. So, and now we have our Hummingbird. Is this thing beautiful or what? You got to appreciate the detail on Hummingbird. I mean, we have the nice glossy Hummingbird logo here. Then on the back, we have a nice glossy Goodnature logo. And just a cool little design feature. So these lines down here, those are vents, so the internals stay cool. And then these lines up here, those are actually just decorative lines just to match the vents, so it just kind of pulls it all together. So just those little details, I think, make this machine so beautiful, right? And the press chamber and the pieces for the press actually ship in the machine for safety. And the platen or the press rod is pushed out right now, so you won't be able to get this out, but that's intentional. But when you plug in the machine and turn it on, then that rod will retract and you can pull it out. I can just show you how this goes together real quick. Drip tray goes down there. Juice tray goes here. Hopper twists on like so. There you go. That's fully assembled. Easy, right? So, I mean, how cool is this thing? Hummingbird can be ordered at goodnature.com. And if you already ordered one, you're going to get it soon, please post your own unboxing video, post content, tag Goodnature. We'll reshare it with our audience. And I'm so excited to use this thing. I'm going to go make some juice. Peace.